Hi guys, today I'm going to show you about the Hair Robot Vacuum Cleaner. It's also a floor cleaner with self-charging and wet map. It has a remote control and they have three colors. Usually they have blue, gold and red, but for me I got the blue one. So this is the box. It's a big box and on top of it it has a remote control. You have to use AAA batteries on this, just two pieces, and then they have this operation instruction. Inside I'm going to show you what they have on this instruction. So yep, so inside it has the packing list. So whatever is inside, you have to make sure that everything is there. So the warranty card, product operation instruction, so everything's here, you can just read them, and the user's specification. So inside is the vacuum. So this is the vacuum. Let's see. So this is for cleaning tool, side brush. Here's a spare sponge. Okay, charging cable. There's two spare side brush. So I have to take this out for now. And the sides. So this is the vacuum. So I'm really happy with one hand. That's the vacuum, and this is the charging cable. So this one you have to plug the cable. I mean, this is the charging station. Sorry. And this one, there's a battery inside where you can put like the two big batteries. And you can turn them on if you want. And this is the cable. So as you can see, this is the vacuum. It's blue. It's very nice color and very shiny, and it has the instruction there if it's charging, if it's vacuuming, to clean it, so everything's there. So for now I'm not going to remove that, but at the back this is the map, and underneath it's very durable, like it's really stiff, so it won't fall off. So this is the water tank, and you have to put 6 ounce or 180 ml of water. I think it's better if you use distilled water to be safe. Like for us, we have a lot of white stuff on the water, so the minerals get into it, so it's better with the distilled. So that's the one. So that's the side brush. You got 2 side brush and you have 2 spare. So yeah. So I'm gonna try this one on the floor and see if it works. So I'm gonna turn this on. Oh, this is where the dirt go in, and this is you have to press this. Oh, there's a switch here, by the way, here on the right side of the vacuum.
Hello, Master. Glad to be at your service.
So basically you can hear that every time you switch it on. So once it's charging, this one is working, and then you can just swipe this. So that's the vacuum. It does have a sensor, which is great. But I've gotten gravel through here, so hopefully the sensor can feel it. Oh, don't feed the food. So there you go. So that's just an example of how you use it. It does have a sensor, but at times it depends what kind of stuff you have in between. Sometimes, like if there's a carpet, it would go up on top of the carpet, and sometimes you have to turn them around. So yeah, but it works, and it does clean. And you can see inside, like I'm gonna show you what dirt it has inside. So it got a little bit of dirt inside. It's basically the floor is not that dirty, so I have a little stuff inside, which means that it is working really well. So it's a good vacuum, and you can try it. It's worth it, and anytime you want to just let it clean your floor, it would clean your floor. Yeah, try this, guys. You can get it at Amazon. Hair, and you just have to look this kind of product, and you're all set. So enjoy shopping. Thank you.